Welcome to the info of XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first we should go into the phone application here, and after that click here on the right upper corner on the three dots and click to the settings section. Now just here we got the blocked number section, tap there, and as you can see we got here 2 blocked numbers in our blacklist. And now just to unblock number or just to remove number from blacklist, we should click here on this X icon and confirm our actions by click here again to unblock, and here you can see the message that this number is unblocked. By the same way we can delete here or remove or just unblock the second number. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.